In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a game pass in Roblox. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open Google Chrome, and once you open Google Chrome, you have to search for Roblox. And once you are on the login page of Roblox, make sure you are signed up on your account. After signing up your account, you have to click on create. Now once you click on create, there would be an option written here. There would be an option named creation. You have to click on creation, and on the experience tab you have to click on create experience. If you want to create an experience, or if you already made one before, so just make sure to select that one. And once you click on your experience, search for monetization option. Under monetization, there would be an option given which will be stated as passes, so you have to click on pass, and then you have to click on create a pass. After that, you have to upload a picture of your pass, write the title of your pass, and then write the description of your pass. And once you save all the changes, your game pass of the Roblox would be ready. So yes, this is how you can make game pass in Roblox 2026. So this is it for today's video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.